Okay class, we have seen updated document where we have seen that if anyone makes some changes in the template, so if you have applied that template in any document, if template has been modified, and when you open that file, then it will ask whether you want to apply changes, when you want to update the changes or not, like this. That we have seen in our last video also. So I have made some changes in temp2, and when I have already applied temp2 in here. So after applying temp2 template, if I modified, so when I reopen the file, it will ask कि आपने जो template 2 में changes किए हैं वो इस पे apply करने हैं या नहीं करने. If करने हैं तो you can click on update styles. नहीं करने हैं तो keep it all style. Okay class. Now coming back to the new topic. The new topic is basically based on changes to different template. What does it mean? So class, changes to different template के लिए I'm just closing everything. I'm opening a fresh open office writer here. So open a fresh open office writer where I have basically I am applying some content which I have recently copied and pasted from internet. That is my content. So I want कि ये कंटेंट, ठीक है, मेरे टेम्पलेट के साथ आए या इस कंटेंट को मैं टेम्पलेट के पास ले जाऊं. सो क्लास वी नीड टू ओपन यूज अ वेरी ओल्ड ट्रेडिशन लाइक कॉपिंग एंड पेस्टिंग. ठीक है. सो आई एम प्रेसिंग Ctrl+A to select all and Ctrl+C for copy, and I am going to a template. Click on new, click on template and document. Choose where you want to apply. So in temp2, open. This is my new template because I have updated, right? I have changes the images, right? I have deleted the images, and just Ctrl+V. Ctrl+V is for pasting it. So that space is coming like that. Okay, you can modify it. It's a very simple one because I have copied and pasted from Google, and that's why it is coming like this. It is not accepting, but don't worry, nothing will come in a print. Okay, if you want, you can do like this. Otherwise, nothing is going to become in print. So class, what happened? So basically, this changes to a different template means, when you want to copy our content to a document where you have applied any template, that you can do by following steps, where you need to open the template, and you need to copy the content and just merge it with the template. Okay. And class, last topic is like use a template, which has to be the first one because I have merged it here. So when you want to apply a template, okay, when you want to apply a template, so like this, how to apply a template? You can apply a template like this. Go to file, new, template and document, है ना. हम इसमें temp2 सिलेक्ट करते हैं. ये तो बने बनाए हैं. अगर आप ऑनलाइन लेना चाहें तो गेट मोर टेम्पलेट्स ऑनलाइन भी ले सकते हैं. सो यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दिस ऑप्शन. इट विल ओपन अ गूगल लिंक और इंटरनेट लिंक where it will show the predefined templates, whether it is related to letters or any legal document, that you can also take it. ठीक है. It takes some time. Let's wait for it. So here you can search for any template. Class, here if you want to search, like here though it is already there, business category. ठीक है ना. So when you click on this, so all the templates will appear. Can you see the templates? See, marketing budget plan. देखो template designing already is there. If you want to change it, like go to back one. If you want to change like education, so click here. All the template will appear related to education. Please have a look here. See, these are the template. Music paper. Okay, now you can click and you can easily click on what? Download. Okay class. So this is basically all the options of the template we have created it. Just go through one by one. Create a template, use a predefined template or use a template we have seen, set up a custom default template we have seen, update a document we have seen, and change to a different template we have also seen. Okay class, thank you.